If you haven't really been following financial updates lately, knowing how to make more money out of a $100 investment might be a bit overwhelming. There are so many alternatives in the marketplace every day that it is equally easy to make twice as much of your money in a week and lose it in just a day. However, just as I believe here on this channel, making money can be easy if you have the correct information. Today, I will show you 5 simple and sustainable ways to invest your $100 in today's financial world. These techniques have worked for thousands of people worldwide and will also make substantial economic sense to you. I've tried to cut out the noise from the usual stuff in investing like stocks, paying debts, etc., and brought a tastier perspective to the subject of investing. So you are certainly going to love this and know how to apply it easily. Before we get started, there is a bonus fact waiting for you at the end of the video, so make sure you stick with us till the end. Now let's get started. Number 1. Build an investment portfolio with robo-advisors. Investing in the stock or bond market is no easy thing. Very few have the right expertise to manage an investment portfolio successfully. Robo-advisors come and make portfolio management altogether easier. It is less costly and has a live order execution model with high intelligence involved in selecting assets. There are dozens of robo-advisors and some that need no upfront investment at all. With only $100, you can get a well-diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds exclusively managed for you. You can check out Betterment and M1 Finance to get yourself a robo-advisor with no minimum capital requirements. Even less than $100 will still be excellent for you. The robo-advisor will design the portfolio for you, then manage it going along for a minimal cost. 2 of the reasonable examples of robo-advisors that need no minimum initial investment are Betterment and M1 Finance. Both will allow you to begin investing instantly with only $100. Number 2. Buy a portfolio with index-based exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. If you intend to invest in the stock market personally, $100 won't get you too far if you buy individual stocks. Investing in an index-based ETF, on the other hand, allows you to buy into an entire industry. ETFs are similar to mutual funds, but with smaller costs and no sales or withdrawal loads. It would also be an entirely passive investment since it is an index-based portfolio. You won't surpass the market, but neither will you perform poorly. The Vanguard S&P 500 ETF is an excellent example to illustrate this. This fund invests in the S&P 500 index, as its name suggests. That is, it reflects proportionate shares in each of the index's 500+ stocks. The S&P 500 index represents the 500 most significant publicly traded stocks in the United States. For $100, you can invest in a whole market with an ETF. They can also be purchased from any big securities dealer, and they exchange like shares. Number 3. Flipping. Thousands of people receive a good side income, and even a full-time income, by selling products on eBay and Amazon.com. While there is more competition now than there was a decade or more ago, you can still make money by selling low-cost and exclusive goods. You can purchase items for a low price at yard sales, thrift shops, and flea markets, then resell them for a profit on the websites. And you will almost certainly start buying inventory for under $100. There was even a story about a millennial who built a multi-million-dollar company reselling Walmart items. That is an extreme example, but it illustrates the possibilities. It's one of the most powerful approaches. You don't have to limit yourself to buying and selling gently used products. You will also purchase and sell domain names for websites. You may not be able to buy many domain names for $100, but the benefit opportunity is enormous. You could buy a web domain for $100 and sell it several times the amount later. While these aren't conventional ways to spend your capital, the investment return is far better than traditional investments. And when you're starting with so little money, your savings growth opportunity is a significant benefit. Number 4. High-yield online savings accounts. Most people usually go to bank savings accounts, being okay with the low interests they can obtain. However, online banks are coming to change that narrative thanks to the internet. There are several online banks out there offering high-yield online savings accounts. The cooler thing about them is that not only are the returns high, but there is no minimum initial investment required and no monthly fees. So you have a lot more advantages in opening an online savings account. To get started with a high-yield online savings account, I suggest you check out Citibank, Discover Bank, or UFB Bank. Number 5. Invest in crypto altcoins. Bitcoin and crypto investing at large have become very popular lately. The investment returns in this market can go as much as 1,000% in just a day. Bitcoin and Ethereum are the leading coins on the crypto market, so it is pretty expensive to get into them as financial assets. However, there are hundreds of other coins available on the market. All you need to do is some research and purchase some of the less expensive crypto coins. Keep them tight in your pockets and be patient in the face of a bullish or bearish market. You can get started with crypto using Binance or Coinbase, which is highly trusted. Now you know how exactly you can start doubling or tripling this $100 of yours. But as promised up there, this is your bonus fact. Number 6. Invest in yourself. I'm sure you have heard it before, but it needs more emphasis. The stock market can crash tomorrow, a bank can collapse next week, or a trading bot can fail to meet your expectations. However, what can forget you are the knowledge you invest in yourself. It is the books, courses, or valuable training sessions that can never leave you. They will always be with you wherever you are. So maybe you aren't that sure about investing money at the moment. If you are in this case, consider getting a course from Coursera, Skillshare, or any other learning platforms. The payouts will be huge for you. Now, I would like to hear from you as well. Let me know what your thoughts are about investing with $100. If there is a point that I have not touched on in this video, feel free to drop it in the comment section. This is finally all for today. Thank you for sticking with me to this stage, and see you next time.